Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to print different patterns in Java. In my previous video, I have already shown you how to print star pattern. Now in this video, I have come with the another kind of star pattern. So let's discuss logic and code for this type of star pattern. I want to print this three pattern in today's video. So here you can see what I'm having. I'm having triangle only, but some different type of triangle. So initially you can see here I'm having space, and then how many spaces I'm having? I'm having 1, 2, 3, and then 4 space. And in my next line, I'm having 3 space. In my next line, I'm having 2 space. In next line, I'm having 1 space, and then I don't have any space. After printing space, what we are doing? We are printing star. Then again printing space and then printing a star. And you can see in the same line, I'm printing both the things, spaces as well as star. Spaces as well as star. If you can see this is forming what? This is forming my inverted triangle. And what this is forming? This is forming my proper triangle. So I have to write logic for printing inverted triangle as well as logic for printing what? Proper triangle. But only one thing I have to consider, that I have to print space and then star. So this is what my logic is going to be. Now let's go to IntelliJ and start the coding. I have already created project in IntelliJ. Now I'm going to write logic. So what I have to do, I have to start the for loop. So how many lines I'm having in my this pyramid? I'm having total 5 lines. So I will start my for loop from int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, and I plus plus. So after writing outer loop, let's concentrate on inner loop. You can see you have two inner loop. One is inverted triangle and one is proper triangle. So this is going to be a reverse loop and this is going to be a normal loop. So now let's concentrate on this inner loop. Int j equal to 4 semicolon, j greater than or equal to I semicolon, j minus minus, because I'm going to run what? Reverse loop. Then here I have to print what? Space, because I want to print space in my inverted triangle. So simply a single space. Don't forget to remove this println. I want to get space in a single line. So therefore I am writing print, not println. So after printing space, what I want to have? I want to print what? Star. So for that, again, I'm going to run one more loop. So you can take same variable or you can take different variables, no problem. So this is what my proper triangle. So I'm going to write condition for printing proper triangle, that is k less than or equal to I and then k plus plus. And here next you have to write line for printing your star. So print the star and remove this println. So after completing one line, what I want to do? I want to go to the next line. So for that, you can print /n or simply blank println. So now let me explain how this is going to work. My I is 1. Here my j is 4. 4 greater than 1. Yes. So space will be printed. Again j will be decremented. J becomes 3. 3 greater than 1. Yes. Again space will be printed. J becomes 2. 2 greater than 1. Space will be printed. I have got 3 spaces till now. Now j becomes 1. 1 greater than 1. Yes. So again space will be printed. Now j becomes 0. Is 0 greater than 1? No. So it will come out of this loop and then it will start executing this for loop. Here my k is 1 as well as my I is 1. Is 1 less than or equal to 1? Yes. So star will be printed. Then it will go back here. K will be incremented. K becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 1? No, the condition is false. So it will come out of this loop and what it will do? It will print what? A new line. So what we got? We got 4 space and 1 star. Now your cursor is waiting over here. Then it will iterate to the next value of I. Now my I becomes 2. Again it will restart this inner loop. J is 4. Is 4 greater than equal to 2? Yes. So space will be printed. Then J becomes what? 3. 3 greater than or equal to 2. Again space will be printed. Then J becomes what? 2. 2 greater than or equal to 2. Yes. So space is printed. We have got 3 spaces. Now J becomes what? 1. 1 greater than or equal to 2. No, the condition is false. So it will come out of this loop. It will go over here and it will restart this k. K is 1. Is 1 less than or equal to 2? Yes. So star will be printed. So we have 3 spaces and 1 star. Again k is incremented. K becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 2? Yes. So again star will be printed. Now k becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 2. Condition is false. It will come over here and it will print a new line. So what we have got? We have got 3 spaces and 2 star. So similarly, it will continue for other values of I, J and K. Now let's run and see the output. Okay, so you can see I'm getting the expected output. Now let's go for the second version of this pattern printing. Here if you see what I'm having inverted triangle for star and I'm having what? Proper triangle for this space. What I'm going to do in this, I'm just going to interchange my printing statement. So here I will print what? My star, and here I'm going to print what? Space. Now let's rerun. It is printing 4 star, but in output we want 5 star. So what I have to do, I have to just make this J equal to 5 and then run. You can see now I'm getting 5 star, 4 star, 3 star, 2 star and 1 star. Just what I did, I wrote code for printing inverted triangle and that is for star, and code for printing what? Spaces, and that is your normal triangle. So whenever inverted triangle comes, use what? Reverse loop, and whenever you want to print normal triangle, you can go for what? Normal loop. Now next pattern we have as combine pattern. So now let's print this pyramid or this pattern. So for printing this pattern, we have to write the first logic, that is what? Inverted triangle for spaces and normal triangle for your star. And for the lower one, we have to write logic for inverted triangle for star and normal triangle for spaces. Okay, so now how many inner loop I'm going to have? I'm going to have 1, 2 inner loop, here also 1 and 2 inner loop, 1 for loop for this type of pattern and 1 for loop for this type of pattern. So total 2 outer loop is going to come and 2 inner loop. So let's do that. So this has printed my lower triangle. So what I will do, I will just copy this code and I will write for upper triangle. So this is going to print your upper triangle. Okay, starting from 1 to 5. So since below I am taking till 1 to 5, so I will make it from 1 to 4. I have to take this till 4, and upper triangle is doing what? First it is printing space. So now I need to change this code here. Instead of star, I have to have what? Space, and here I should put what? Star. So this is going to give me what? This is going to give me upper triangle, and this code is going to give me lower triangle. Just I have combined both the program to get what? My one bigger triangle. Okay, so you can see I'm getting the output. I'm getting 1 star, 2 star, and before that I'm having spaces. Here I'm having 5 star, 4 star and 1 spaces, and lastly I'm having 1 star and 4 spaces. So if you understand one logic properly, it is not going to be difficult for you all. You can have any kind of pyramid with this logic. This type of small program you can practice for making your logic strong. Friends, if you like my coding and if you like my examples, please do subscribe to my channel and share my videos to your friends, and don't forget to hit like button. Also press bell icon for receiving notifications from my channel. Thank you friends for watching my video till end. See you in next video. with a new topic. Till that, bye bye and take care.